In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use text blocks Squarespace. To get started, log into your Squarespace account and open your website dashboard. This is the main control area for your site, where you can manage pages, design, and content. Once you are inside the dashboard, go to the page where you want to add or edit text, so you are working in the right section of your website. Next, click Edit in the top left corner of the page. This opens the visual editor, which lets you make changes directly on the page and see how your content will look as you build it. This is the easiest way to work with text blocks because you can place and format your content in real time. After the editor opens, click Add Block in the top left corner. This brings up the block menu, where Squarespace shows different types of content blocks you can insert into your page. From this menu, select Text. Choosing the text block gives you a space where you can add written content, such as headings, paragraphs, short descriptions, or longer body text. Once the text block appears on the page, click inside it and either type your content directly or paste in text that you have already prepared. If you are pasting content, it is a good idea to quickly review the formatting, since copied text can sometimes look slightly different once it is placed into the editor. To customize the way your text looks, highlight the text inside the block. When you do that, a floating toolbar will appear. Use this toolbar to adjust your headings and paragraph styles, change fonts and colors, apply bold formatting, set alignment, or add links. These tools help you make your content easier to read and more visually consistent with the rest of your website. Try to keep your formatting clean and simple so your page stays clear and professional. When you are finished making changes, click Save in the top left corner. This stores your updates, so the text block and any formatting changes remain on the page. It is always a good habit to save once you are done, so you do not lose any edits. That covers everything you need to know.